Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to mark all emails as read on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026 web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to or focus on all the emails on screen. So let's click on one email, two emails, and here we have the option to select every single email on screen within the inbox. So we can have, let's just say 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 and have the ability to select every single email at the same time. Now we might have a batch of unread or read emails which we wish to change to unread or read for a particular purpose. In this tutorial and for this occasion, we want to mark as all read. So let's click on either read or unread, or we can go to the right hand side of the page and click on mark as read. So mark 242 conversations as read. Are you sure you want to mark all the conversations in focused as read? Yes, we are. Click on OK, and here we have it. The number of emails that were, let's just say, read or unread in the inbox, which was about 242, have all now been selected together and edited together and marked as all read on screen. So we can now deselect every single email. If I were to, let's just say, select these emails again and then select every single email in the inbox, let's now click on mark as unread. Are you sure you want to mark all the conversations in focus as unread? Yes, we are. Click on OK. And here we have it, 243 emails that have been marked as unread. We can reverse the process and click on mark as read. Yes, OK. There we have it. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.